Hello everyone. This is a tutorial about how to create a buffer and how to identify which locations are within this buffer in QGIS. I believe this will be step-by-step and straightforward guide, um, which is based on my own experience. Okay, now let's go start it. I'm going to use a practical example to demonstrate this process. I'm going to create Brisbane train station buffers. The radius of the buffer is 800 meters, and I will also have a list of a few locations, and our task is to identify which of these locations are actually within one given train station buffer. In this case, we will pick up a train station named the Milton Station in Brisbane. Prior to the exercise, we should have two files ready for use. One is the a CSV file of Brisbane train stations, which includes all these latitude and longitude coordinates. Another one is a list of locations. I picked up a total of 67 locations with latitude and longitude coordinates information. Our task is to find out which of these locations are actually within the Milton train station buffer. Don't worry about these two files. If you like, you can email me, and yeah, I can email these two files to you so you can save time. I will leave my email address in the description. Now we open in QGIS software, and we need to save a file, create a project. Okay, let's give it a name, say tutorial. Okay. Let's move to browser, scroll down, OpenStreetMap, double click it. Is our site location is in Brisbane, Australia? Let's zoom in to Australia and Brisbane. Okay. To import all the Brisbane train station data into QGIS, let's go to Layer, Add Layer, add delimited text layer. File name, let's go select the file, Brisbane train stations. Scroll down to the bottom of the window. You can see the sample data for you to double check if this is the spreadsheet you want. Click Add, close. All right, now you can see all those orange dots, which are those Brisbane train stations. As we mentioned before, the train station we are looking at is the Milton station, which is west of Brisbane CBD. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, Milton. All right. In QGIS, there is a buffer creation tools there under the vector menu, but don't use that. Don't use it because the radius unit is degree rather than meters. All right. I've searched around on the internet, but all those articles or posts are actually suggesting you manually convert meters to degrees, which is it's a little bit complicated for a layman. So alternatively, I strongly recommend you install a plugin. All right, this plugin is called QGIS, which can be downloaded from the QGIS website. This is the web page of the QGIS, you can easily download and install. All right, I already installed this plugin in my QGIS. So after the installation, you will see this QGIS showing up on the menu toolbar. Okay, let's click it. Create buffers. Let's double check the layer source, Brisbane train station. That's correct. Radius, fixed radius, 800 meters. Radius units, yeah, as I mentioned, actually they've got quite a few options for you. We just choose meters. Okay. Click apply, close. Look, those circles are actually 800-meter radius buffer. Let's rename this layer. Say buffers. All right. And personally, I would like to change the transparency of this layer. Let's go to right-click the buffers layer. Go to Style, Edit symbol, click it. All right, the transparency now is 100%. Let's change to 50%. Okay, all right. Now, yeah, we can see the base map. Newton. Now we import location data into QGIS. Same as step 1, we go to Layer, Add Layer, add delimited text layer. Let's go find that location CSV file. Open that, add, close. Okay, now you can see all those pink dots showing up. All right, we just want to know which of those pink dots are actually within the Milton train station buffer. Because all those train station buffers are on the same layer of buffers, but we are going to look at Milton train station buffer only. What we need to do is go to buffers layer, right-click, open attribute table. Let's go find Milton train station. Okay, it's on the top. To select that is easy. Just left-click this row, then it has been highlighted. Then close the window. All right. See, the Milton train station buffer has been highlighted in yellow. Let's go to Vector Research Tool, select by locations. Select features. Features are those pink dots or locations. From locations CSV file, let's select that. Where the features are within the buffer, let's tick within and untick other options. By comparing to the features from buffers, that's correct. We don't have to change anything. Mind you, you have to select this one. By select this one, you will only look at the selected buffer only. Okay, the Milton train station. Let's click Run. Easy. Close. Okay, let's go to the location layer. Right-click, open attribute table. See, all those locations within the Milton train station buffer have been highlighted. What we need to do is Control plus C to copy all those selected items. And we go to our working folder. Yeah, I already created a blank file, blank file, Excel file here. Double click, open that. and Control plus V. See? So all those informations of the selected locations within the Hamilton train station has been saved here in this file. Now our task is done. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it might be helpful in your work, study, or research. Thank you very much.